Let's go.
Blue are ready. You guys will be at the front. Blue on the front, red on the back. Blue on the front, red on the back. Silver and orange. You guys are back here. Silver on the front, orange in the back. Silver on the front.
We have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? I was coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recortos para su seguridad permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones de seguridad bien ajustados. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus
Everybody
niños.
both hands up. There's the doors on your left closed. Watch out. Be sure to take off any hats or headgear. Hold on to all the personal belongings. Good luck, crew. Keep it safe, R5.
Inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoners. Your region has mentioned Block 3. Doors blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway? Attention Block Breach. Prisoners not seen on their team.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scan for his body.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Hey, there you go.
Yeah, something happened. Yeah, you better change it back. There you go.